आज हमने चैप्टर शुरू करना है डुअल नेचर ऑफ रेडिएशन एंड मैटर। सबसे पहले लेट अस स्टार्ट। डुअल नेचर मीन्स टू, डुअलिटी। एक ही चीज़ जब दो तरह का बिहेवियर शो करती है इट इज़ कॉल्ड एज डुअलिटी। सो डुअल नेचर ऑफ रेडिएशंस एंड मैटर मीन्स it has got two types of nature. One is called wave nature and other is called as particle nature. So अब हम wave nature के अलग अलग phenomenons और particle nature के अलग अलग phenomenons को study करेंगे. We all know कि metal has a large number of loosely bound electron which are called as free electrons. Electrons from the metal कैन बी इजेक्टेड, यानी जिसे आप फोटो इलेक्ट्रिक फिनोमिनन बोलते हो. व्हेन लाइट ऑफ सूटेबल इंटेंसिटी इज इंसिडेंट ऑन इट, इट विल इजेक्ट द इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम इट्स सरफेस एंड द इजेक्शन ऑफ द इलेक्ट्रॉन कैन बी डन बाय, उसमें से इलेक्ट्रॉन कैसे इजेक्ट हो सकते हैं? इट इज़ बाय यूजिंग हीटिंग द मेटल सरफेस एंड सच टाइप ऑफ एमिशन इज कॉल्ड एज थर्मियोनिक एमिशन. द सेकेंड इज ऑन एक्सपोजिंग द मेटल to some electromagnetic wave or energy of suitable frequency. This is called as photoelectric emission. When light of suitable frequency is incident on the metal surface, which is electromagnetic in nature, it will eject the electron from its surface. The third type is using electric field, such type of emission of electron when the electrons are agitated or ejected by the surface of the metal using electric field is called as field emission. So we have three types of emission. One is called as thermionic when heat is used. Second is called as photoelectric emission when electromagnetic wave of suitable frequency is used. And the third one is with the use of the electric field. Now the another definition is work function. हमने एक वर्ड पहले सुना हुआ है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज थ्रेश होल्ड एनर्जी. थ्रेश होल्ड का मतलब होता है मैक्सिमम एनर्जी जिसके बाद उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज़ जो हैं वो चेंज हो जाती हैं. सो दिस वर्क फंक्शन इज़ ऑल्सो कॉल्ड एज थ्रेश होल्ड एनर्जी एंड इट इज़ डिफाइंड एज दैट मिनिमम अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी विच इज़ रिक्वायर्ड बाय अ मेटल इन ऑर्डर टू इजेक्ट द इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम इट्स सरफेस टू आउटसाइड. सो इलेक्ट्रॉन को इजेक्ट करने के लिए किसी भी मेटल में से उसकी सरफेस में से जितनी एनर्जी चाहिए, द मिनिमम अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड इज सेट टू बी थ्रेश होल्ड एनर्जी और वर्क फंक्शन एंड इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय लेटर फाई नॉट. वर्क फंक्शन इज एक्सप्रेस्ड इन टर्म्स ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट and we all know 1 electron volt is equals to 1.6 into 10 raised to the power minus 19 joule. Now let us study photoelectric emission. In case of photoelectric emission, when electromagnetic wave or a radiation of suitable frequency is incident on a metal surface, electrons are ejected from it and this phenomenon is called as the photoelectric emission. Now there is a experimental facts or the observation when an electron is ejected from a metal surface, that is with the photoelectric emission. First point is photoelectric emission is instantaneous, that is there is no time lag between the incident light and the emission of electron. Instantaneous means हर particular instance पे the ejection of electron is continuous. There is no time lag between the incidence of the light of suitable frequency and the ejection of electron from its surface. Second is for each metal there exists a minimum value of the frequency which is called as the threshold frequency represented by letter nu naught of electromagnetic radiation below which there is no ejection of electron can be done whatsoever is the intensity of the light. It means जो भी लाइट आप किसी मेटल सरफेस पे इंसिडेंट करवाओगे उसकी एनर्जी, उसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी, उसकी थ्रेश होल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी से ज़्यादा होनी चाहिए, अदरवाइज देयर इज़ नो इजेक्शन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. The third point is, with the increase in intensity of the light, the kinetic energy of the photoelectron does not change. So what changes when we increases the kinetic energy? The first point is, if you increase the intensity of the light, the kinetic energy of the photoelectron does not change. It means kinetic energy पे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता अगर आप इंटेंसिटी को बढ़ाते हो, but the number of electron changes. Number of electron कम ज़्यादा होंगे. If intensity increases, the number of electrons ejected from a surface will increase. So आप यहाँ से एक रूल बना सकते हो कि intensity is directly proportional to number of ejection of electrons and independent of the kinetic energy. पेपर में क्वेश्चन आता है कि अगर आपने इंटेंसिटी को डबल करा तो what happens to the kinetic energy? So answer is, there is no change in kinetic energy, as intensity and kinetic energy, both of these two physical quantities are independent of each other. And if the intensity is doubled, then the number of electron released from the surface of the metal will be doubled, because intensity is directly proportional to the number of photoelectrons ejected from the metal surface. The fourth point is, with increase in frequency of a radiation, the kinetic energy of the electron changes or increases linearly. It means frequency is directly related with the kinetic energy and intensity is directly related with the number of electrons. If you double the frequency, the kinetic energy will also be doubled, because the frequency changes the kinetic energy and frequency is proportional to the change in the kinetic energy, and the change in intensity will be directly proportional to the number of electrons ejected from the surface of the metal या जो भी आपने photoelectric surface consider करी है. So 2 points याद करने वाले हो गए. First, intensity gives you the number of electrons and it is independent of the kinetic energy, and frequency depends upon the kinetic energy of the ejected electron. Now look at the graph which is given here. In this graph, जब तक threshold frequency नहीं आएगी उससे पहले there is no change, means no ejection of electron, because the ejection of electron will take place only when it reaches to its minimum frequency called as the threshold frequency. Afterwards, as soon as this threshold frequency is reached, the electrons are ejected from the surface of the metal linearly, because this graph shows the relation between the kinetic energy and the frequency. And with point number 4, frequency of the radiation is directly proportional to the kinetic energy and both of them varies linearly after threshold frequency. And if the frequency does not reaches to its threshold value, there is no emission of electrons from the surface of the metal. Now let us summarize this. Intensity of the incident light is directly proportional to the number of the photoelectrons ejected through it, and frequency is directly proportional to the kinetic energy. The next topic is the Einstein theory of photoelectric effect. In order to explain this photoelectric effect, during this photoelectric, that means the emission of the electron will take place using sunlight or some electromagnetic radiation, right? To explain the photoelectric emission, Einstein stated that electromagnetic radiation is made up of massless particles called as photon. Light के एक particle को photon कहते हो, and energy of each photon is quantized, which is given by E is equals to h nu, where h is the Planck's constant and nu is the frequency of the electromagnetic radiations, right? तो आइंस्टीन थ्योरी ने क्या बताया आपको? Whenever light of a suitable intensity which consists of massless particles called as photon incident on these radiations incident on the metal surface, the photons interacts with the electrons and give all its energy to the electron. यानी जब photon metal के contact में आएंगे, and we all know कि metal की ionization energy कम होती है, and depending upon its threshold frequency, जितनी फ्रीक्वेंसी का रेडिएशन आपने उसके ऊपर इंसिडेंट करा है, पहले थ्रेशोल्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी ओवरकम होगी एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द एनर्जी इज ट्रांसफर टू द इलेक्ट्रॉन which will then release from its surface, and this change is an instantaneous change. और जितनी भी एनर्जी इंसिडेंट हो रही है वो टू पार्ट्स में यूज हुई. फर्स्ट, one of the part will overcome the work function, that is its threshold energy, and the rest of the energy which is left is used to give to the electron in the form of the kinetic energy. Now the Einstein energy relationship को हमने conservation of energy के साथ correlate करा. The total energy of the electromagnetic radiation, that is h nu, it will be divided or it will be used in two parts. One is the work function plus the rest amount of energy which is left after overcoming its threshold function or threshold energy या work function is used for the kinetic energy imparted to the electron. With this energy the electrons will be ejected from the surface of the metal. So kinetic energy is equal to h nu minus phi, where this phi naught, ये आप यहाँ पे देख लो, this is actually phi naught, where this phi naught is said to be equal to the h nu naught, where this h nu में h तो Planck's constant and nu naught is the threshold frequency. So I can write h nu minus h nu naught in this expression, phi naught की जगह h nu naught. Using 1 and 2 equation, it is known as the Einstein equation of the photoelectric effect, and it will explain all the experimental observation. क्या क्या observation थी? That this phenomenon is continuous, this is instantaneous, there is no time lapse between the incident light and of course the ejection of the electron. And incident light की frequency अगर less होएगी, threshold frequency, then the kinetic energy of the ejected electron will be zero. It means no electrons will be ejected from the surface of the metal. And of course the kinetic energy is independent of the intensity of the light, because intensity is directly proportional to the number of photoelectrons emitted from the surface of the metal. Now let us summarize this Einstein theory of the photoelectric effect once again. आइंस्टीन ने जो फोटोइलेक्ट्रिक इफेक्ट को समराइज करा उसमें आपको 2 पॉइंट्स बताए. एक, total energy is used in two parts. First, to overcome its work function, and the energy which is left is used to impart the kinetic energy to the ejected electron. Suppose आपने 10 एनर्जी इंसिडेंट करी जो 10 जूल है, जिसमें से 6 जूल यूज होगी उसके वर्क फंक्शन को ओवरकम करने में. The 4th joule is the amount of energy which is imparted to the electron is given in terms of the kinetic energy of the ejected electrons. And if the incident energy की frequency threshold से less है, then there is no ejection of the electron, and this equation is called as the Einstein photoelectric equation.